Hey, I'm Angela Falaska, and I am the campus support specialist here at the American Institute of Alternative Medicine. And today I'm going to talk to you about a few acupressure points you can use to help with memory and concentration. Now, before we get into the points, I want to talk about the amount of pressure you're going to use on any of these points. And you're going to do just what's called gentle pressure. So enough to just press in a little bit, but not rubbing lightly on the skin. You want to press in enough so that you are getting into the tissue beyond the skin, beneath the skin. And that's where you're going to massage and apply the pressure. That's how much pressure you're going to use. If you feel pain, you're applying way too much pressure. So just make sure it's hard enough to go deeper than just the skin level, but not deep enough to cause pain. So find your happy little medium in there. So the first point I'm going to talk about is called sun point, and you're going to go out from your eyebrows to the indentation where your temples are. It's about 1.5 inches from your eyebrows. And you're just going to kind of apply that gentle pressure. You can massage a little bit. And this helps, in addition to memory and concentration, it does also help with mental stress, dizziness, and headaches. I don't know about you, but I used to do this when I would get headaches. Never knew it actually worked. So it's actually a good point, acupressure. And do that for about a minute. Each of these points you'll do about 1 to 2 minutes. We're not going to do the entire time for them, but sun point, side of the temples. Next one, I'm just going to go over very briefly because I talked about it in another video, and that's that third eye point. So between your eyebrows, I know it's kind of awkward to see on the video, but gentle pressure, point right between the eyebrows. 100 meeting point is you're going to find your cranial bones on the top of your head. So place your thumbs on the tops of your ear, and then where your fingers come together on the top of your head, that's that 100 meeting point. It might be a sensitive spot. So for some of you, you may actually be able to find that spot just by finding the tender spot on the top of your head. But that is the 100 meeting point. It'll improve concentration, mental awareness, and clarity. You don't have to keep your hands like that. You can just, once you find that spot, just massage and rub that spot. Again, you'll do it for about a minute, 2 to 3 minutes. If you're having a headache, it helps with that also. And then the last point, middle of person point. And this one is about 2/3 of the way up from your upper lip, between your nose and upper lip. Right there in the middle of the nose, but about 2/3 up from your upper lip. So this one, again, in addition to memory and concentration, helps with dizziness, fainting, and cramps. It'll help bring your focus back. So if you're daydreaming in class, you need to get yourself back on track. Or if you have distracting thoughts flying around, just everything going through your head all at once, bring yourself back into the moment. This point here. Now, if you have fingernails, use your knuckle. So you can use your knuckle by all means, because yeah, you don't want to stab yourself with your fingernails on any of the points. Use your knuckle if your fingernails get in your way. So those are points to help you with memory and concentration. Utilize those before you study. Do them 3 times a day. Do them every single day, and notice some improvements on your memory and concentration. So the next time you go and take that test, you're going to be ready and set.